Hi everyone. I've heard a lot of people talking about Joggles.com, and that is Joggles.com. I had never ordered from them, so I decided to give them a try. First of all, the prices are incredible. Second of all, the shipping is amazing. It comes super fast. Wow. I ordered today is the 18th. I placed my order on the 16th. So yeah, 2-day shipping. What do you say? And look at this paper. I love this paper. I'm going to use it. Oh, more great paper. I'm going to use it. Let me turn it this way. I know it's packed really well because of what's in here. Christy Biddleston has created a monster. So I ordered some more paints. I love the way they package it. And look, you can reuse their bags. Yeah, I reuse everything. So I got the Gold Rush. I love this color. It just stands out. And their paints were cheaper too. Let me look at the price again. Yeah, the paints are $2 cheaper than on Amazon. So I got, look, they all come in different size bags. Neat. I can reuse these bags if I don't tear them up, open them. I got metallic fresh orange. I got, wow, I'm blind. Flame. And I wanted some fall colors because I didn't have any. And of course I got a yellow. I say, of course, because yellow is one of my favorite colors. And I needed some brown, so I bought the hazelnut. I love this color. And I do believe, yeah, I bought all metallics. Because to me, they just look better on the dot paintings. And did I buy doubles? I may have. I thought I did on this. I use a lot of it. So this is the rusty red. It's close to what I'm looking for. Hopefully it'll dry the color I want. And I bought Spring Blossoms. I love this color. Should have bought 2 of those. But now that I know about them, I can get back. And I mean, they ship spotty fast. This Coral Reef. This is going to look good together. Oh, yeah. And you can't really tell when you're shopping online about colors until you get it in your hand. And I got the antique gold. I really like this. As you can see, the regular gold is kind of vibrant gold. I like this antique gold color. This may become my new favorite gold. So, I mean, you can't beat their prices. You certainly can't beat their shipping. Their shipping is almost, well, their shipping right now is beating Amazon for delivery. Because it's coming a lot faster. I mean, Amazon will tell you next day, and then once you get your order in, it's 3 or 4 days, and then it ends up being 6 or 7. But yeah, I bought all of these, let's see. This is the Sparks paint, I believe, but I think I got all of them the same brand. I tried to, just to try it. But I have tried this one before, and I liked it. So, well, this brand before, and I liked it. So, I was grabbing up what they had to offer in colors that I didn't already have. So, stay tuned. We'll see this coming up in a lot of projects. And check them out. Super fast shipping. Great, unbeatable prices. And, get to crafting. See you soon. Bye-bye.